the sounds of musician Hoan Lee, one of the performers who will take part in this year's Sound of Light show, kicking off on August 10th. It's the 18th edition, and they are back bigger and better this year. From Sound of Light show, the general manager, Anny. Good morning.
Good morning.
So 18 years and still going strong, eh?
It's crazy. Who would have thought? Like, I've been there since the beginning, and it's just time flies by when you're having fun.
So for people who've never been before, what can we expect to see in the sky?
Well, we always have 4 different countries that come and perform, and then we have the grand finale. But this year we're really excited about it because we have 4 new teams. We have the United Arab Emirates, Denmark, the Philippines, and the United Kingdom that are going to really come and battle it out with the best and the biggest fireworks you can possibly imagine.
Okay.
And what they do is they pick their music first, and then they select their effects just to make sure that everything is super synchronized.
Okay.
And we're looking forward to bigger and better things this summer.
Okay. How long is the show?
The shows are always about 30 minutes long, but because it's later in the evening, we wait till the sun goes down. We do invite people to come over earlier, starting from 6 p.m. We have family entertainment shows, we have homegrown talent, international talent, and we have one of the biggest terraces in town, so people can arrive early, enjoy the bistros, enjoy the food, because the best part of an event is the atmosphere on site. So if people arrive early and enjoy that, they'll have a blast.
Right, because I guess over your 18 years you hear people saying, well, why can't we just watch the fireworks from afar? But part of the experience is actually being on site and sitting at the bistro or on the terrace.
Yeah, and hearing the music from the fireworks the way they were meant to be seen, and seeing the reflex on the water, and it's so exciting to be right there on site.
Okay, so now we've got Hoan Lee here. How will he take part in the show?
Well, we always try to buy local. We always try to encourage local artists. So Van is part of this new wave of young performers that we've. Sometimes you go to showcases and you see these people and you just fall in love with them. When we saw Van, we just thought that what he does is very exciting, so we decided to invite him to this year's event.
Okay, and before we hear Van's song, what should people be doing after they take in the experience?
Well, once they come and see and they decide which show they thought was the best, they should go back onto our website and vote for the best show award. And if they can vote once a day, every day for the period of the fireworks, they could win a wonderful trip to Mexico this year. So it's very exciting.
A trip to Mexico, and all you have to do is go to the website and vote. The Sound of Light show will kick off August 10th and run until the 24th.
Absolutely.
Right at the casino, and there's a couple of different types of tickets that you can get, some that are general admission and others that will get you a reserved seat. Shall we let Van take it away?
Absolutely.
All right, here's a taste of one of the musicians you'll find at the Sound of Light show.